So all the stucco, what you're looking at here is all the stucco. This was a lawsuit that went back to the builder. All of the stucco on the second and third floors is being entirely replaced. Also the windows and the roofing on all 54 buildings out here. And this is a process that's going to take 4 years, and right now we're just a documentation team. We have nothing to do with the construction whatsoever, other than the fact that we're supporting them by taking off the shutters and some of the railings and the screen enclosures and whatnot, and the documentation. That's the only thing we're doing. This is a scaffolding that's getting ready to go to some of these buildings. So once they do these buildings, then we're going down this alley and go all around here and then go around the back. And this is